Hello, this is Courtney, Fiverr user No Scam Parents, and I would like to record a professional female voicemail or audio for a voice directory for your business or website. I can even voice a greeting message for your personal phone. Don't like your voice or the automaton voice that most voicemail systems incorporate? Maybe you're just having trouble saying that long script all in one go. Don't worry, let me record your message for you in a pleasant female voice. Best of all, I can record and send it to you within 24 hours if you order my gig extra. This gig has a 100% approval rating, tons of positive reviews, 0 negative ones, and has even been added to the Fiverr.com Editor's Picks collection. This gig is available to you exclusively here on Fiverr.com for $5. Here are some samples of what your recordings will sound like. Thank you for calling No Scam Parents. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. For sales, press 1. For marketing, press 2. For customer support, please press 3 or stay on the line and the next available representative will assist you shortly. To repeat this menu, please press 0. You have reached the offices of No Scam Parents. We are currently closed. Please call back during normal business hours. We are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hello, and thank you for calling No Scam Parents. We are currently unavailable to take your call. Please leave your name and telephone number, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling No Scam Parents. We are away from our desk, but if you would like to leave your name, telephone number, and a detailed message, one of our representatives will return your call within the hour. Thank you and have a nice day.